Hey there students, welcome aboard. You have made it to the starting line and I am thrilled to have you here for this exciting journey. Alright, first thing first, let's get those practical files and resource files downloaded. You will find files in resource section here on this page. These files are your ticket to hands-on learning throughout the course. But wait, there's a more. Along with the course material, you will find a handy shortcut sheet. We are not diving too deep into shortcut just yet, but trust me, these are game changers. You won't want to miss it. Print it out, circle your favorite, and let's dive in. Now speaking of tools, you will need Figma. In the resources, there is a Figma download link to get desktop version. Download Figma and sign up. You can also use the browser version. But keep in mind that if your internet connection breaks, you won't be able to work on your project. So I will recommend using the desktop version. Whether you're a browser buff or desktop nerd like me, it's all same goodness. Personally, I'm sticking with the desktop version, but hey, choose what works best for you. And here's the quick heads up. I have been told I talk at the speed of light, especially with all that chai tea I have had.
I love chai tea.
What did you just say?
Chai tea? Chai means tea, bro. You're saying tea. Would I ask you for a coffee with room for cream? No.
But fear not, if my two was piece and accent throws you off, just hit that playback red button down there to adjust the speed. I might sound tad funny, but hey, whatever helps you absorb the content better, right? English is not my first language, so sometimes I pronounce word differently, but fear not, there are auto-generated caption available. Now let's talk about Figma flavors, free versus paid. We are rocking the free version for most of our adventure, because honestly, it's mind-blowing what you can do without spending a dime. But hey, towards end of our journey, I will give you a sneak peek into the perks of the paid version. Spoiler alert, it's a pretty sweet. Here's the deal, Figma loves to keep things fresh. That means constant updates, new features, and tweaks to make your design life easier. Now, while that's a fantastic for your design journey, it's a bit a headache for me as your instructor. But fear not, if anything major changes, I will update those videos accordingly. And hey, keep an eye on those comment section below for any quick tips or insight from fellow students. So buckle up for rollercoaster ride of updates and improvements. It's all part of the adventure. Alright, enough chit chat. Let's dive into the next video and get this show on the road.